Let's solve the gravitational force equation for r, the distance between the masses. We start with F equals gmm divided by r squared. To solve for r, let's first multiply both sides by r squared. This will get rid of the fraction. Next, let's divide both sides by f. This will isolate r squared on one side of the equation. Finally, to isolate r, we need to take the square root of both sides. Remember, when we take the square root, we need the positive root since distance can't be negative. Let's visualize what this equation means. Consider two masses, m and m, separated by a distance r. The gravitational force F between them decreases as the square of their separation distance. This is why we call it an inverse square law. So our final answer is that r equals the square root of gmm divided by F. This tells us the separation distance needed to achieve a specific gravitational force between two masses.